Hey guys, Leaky here. I just wanted to try and go through and get like a quick, maybe like 5-minute video on how I'm actually going to install these grips. I just wanted to quickly point out on the sidewinders, if I can quickly please get it, thank you, where the M and the D is there, suggesting that this is a mid-size grip. There's a little notch between the two of them. On the bottom side of that grip, in line with, it's not going to focus, is it? There we go. There is another line. So if you did want to symmetrically line these up, you actually can. As for these grips, I have 3 sidewinders. The 3 sidewinders are going on my driver and my 2 hybrids. I'm going to be doing 2 pieces of tape on the bottom hand and then 1 piece of tape full length. For how this rubber holder is set, I've actually just lined the grip up and put the rubber stopper as close to the grip as I can. That kind of lets me know that when I'm putting the grip on, I don't push too far and stretch the grip. Or, on the other hand, if it's set, or if it's not set far enough, I know that I haven't set the grip like this and there's, an extra inch worth of nothingness hanging in the grip itself. So, as for building up a bottom layer, we're going to go 4 or 5 inches sort of thing, kind of just eyeballing it. Cut. Try and make this all as smooth as possible. The smoother that this is, the better you do. The longer you take, the less little air bubbles, the better. Because that's less air that can be inside of the grip, less time, or I guess less room for it to be slipping all over the place. I mean, it's not an overly long process to begin with. This is probably what's going to take you the longest here. But again, take your time. Make sure there's no gaps. Make sure all the tape is down and it's all nice and smooth. I've already done this once on my driver, and I don't know, I might have to actually take it all apart. However, the beauty of these is that taking it apart is as easy as just blowing air. That's the best part about these grips. Apologies for getting in the way. I'm just trying my best to make sure that there's as little of air gap as I can. Do think I had some small ones when I did the driver, when it made the transition from the 2 wraps on the bottom hand to the wraps on, or to the top of the hand, like the top of the handle here. Sorry, there was definitely some, look like some little air gaps and air bubbles that I had put into the actual tape. This seems a little bit better. Again, take your time. It's not going to be a long process. You're not going to stand there and get wet and then get all frustrated because you're smelling like solvent and stuff like that. Okay, there's still a little bit of play left in this to be able to kind of square the face. Again, these are all symmetrical grips, so it really doesn't matter how you put them on. I am going to be very meticulous with the wrap grips because the wrap grips, I like how they fit specifically in my hand. This is the Star Grips air gun. The end of it actually is pretty wide compared to the Pure Grips one. The Pure Grips end, as you can see, is very, very small. It does not hold a grip. As I put my hand in the way and the grip falls out. Whereas at least the Star Grips one, if you kind of twist the grip on there, it'll hold on to the grip a little bit. Now hopefully I can do this on my first try and not look like too much of a fool, because I'm already kind of struggling with just trying to put these on. And that's a me thing, not a design thing. So, here we go. Put my foot on something. And that's it. Done. Grip is on. Now, for the sake of doing this, I don't care that I have to do this again. Say you want to change out your color and go to green. It's as simple as just pulling on the trigger and pulling on the grip. These grips are insanely easy to install and uninstall. It is kind of tedious for me because my bench doesn't hold the club very well. I know that everybody else is going to have a way better time. It's going to be way easier for them to install it because I got a Jimmy rigged setup. But at the end of the day, that is really easy to do. I'm really looking forward to getting this set done. Please check back onto the forum when this video gets uploaded, because the pictures and stuff will all be done of all the clubs being completely finished and whatnot. Thank you guys all so much for tuning in. Just a quick 5-minute video. Have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you on the forums. Bye for now.